Alrighty. See if we can get this old beat up Honda 4Trax fucking started.
Yeah, right, man. Gotta blow some air down blow some wind down the fucking tank hole.
Yeah, it's snowing like a motherfucker out here.
You're right.
Right, blow some air down her fucking tank hole. Alright, send her all the way.
Fuck cocksucker, why don't you?
Oh, fucker.
Ah, fuck, it's nasty.
Blowing some cigarette smoke in the fucking gas tank. It's good for it.
Oh, that's till my fucking filter broke off. Fucking cunt.
Oh, it fucking loves it. It's a white trash wheeler. It loves the old L&Ms. There's the old Zippo juice.
I gotta get the fucking choke working again. Even though that doesn't want to work.
Try putting your fucking hand over the boot and I'll try kicking it over. Oh, it wanted it. Ah, fuck. Oh, that hurt. Alright, I'll put my hand over the boot, you kick it over.
Okay. Gotta give her a little gas too.
Alright.
I'll get the gas.
Alright, ready? Do it. Oh, do it. Send it. Do her.
Alright, let her go.
All
Flooding
right.
it.
Yeah, my fucking hand's soaked with gas. It does not like cold starts. There we fucking go. Rev her up and dump her.
Get the light over here.
The exhaust sounds healthy on it. Alright, shoot some fucking rooster tails. Oh, it's a neighbor.